Series of Hera English School for the subject of Science 2. So in the last lecture we had discussion on excretory system of human beings, and today we are going to discuss another important life process in living organism, that is coordination. So let us understand what is coordination. Several different organ systems function in multicellular organisms. Their life goes on smoothly if there is coordination between different organ system or organs and the stimuli in the surrounding. Depending on this, we can say that systematic regulation of different processes can be called control, and bringing about the different processes in the proper sequence can be called coordination. So what is coordination? The systematic functioning of different life processes in living organism. Okay, when different life processes, when organ system, they are working together smoothly, okay, without disturbing the functioning of the body, it's called as coordination. If any activity in the body is to be completed successfully, proper coordination between different systems and organs participating at different steps of that activity is necessary. If due to lack of coordination or some other factor there is confusion at any step, the activity may not be completed. There should not be any randomness at any step. There needs to be proper coordination between internal activities of the body resulting from various factors like body temperature, water level, enzyme level, etc. Or stimuli arising in the surrounding environment. Proper coordination between various systems of an organism helps to maintain a state of equilibrium called homeostasis, which is necessary for the optimal efficiency of the body. So in this part, the importance of coordination is being understood, where coordination in different processes and in smooth functioning of the body is needed in any living organism. So here, let us start with how coordination in plants take place. So if we can see how coordination in plants take place. So plants do not have system like nervous system or muscular system of animals. Then how do plants bring about movements? In plants, movements are mainly in the form of responses given to the stimuli. So as we know that plants are simple in their structure, simple in the system, organization, so their movement is not at all being observed, but they give certain reactions to the stimuli, responses given to the stimuli. Let us understand those responses. You can see in the first picture that it's a pollen tube growing towards the ovule. Okay, then we have phototropic response, then we have thigmotropic response as well. So let us understand this. In this further explanation, movement or growth of any part of the plant in response to external stimulus is called tropism or tropic movement. The shoot system of any plant response to the light stimulus, that is, it grows towards the source of light. The movement shown by plants towards source of light is called phototropic movement. The root system of plants responds to stimuli like gravitation and water. This response are called gravitropic movement and hydrotropic movement. So the movement shown by plant to the external stimulus is called as tropism or tropic movement. So if it is with response to light, with response to sunlight, is called as phototropic movement. If it is response to the gravitation and water, then it is called gravitropic or hydrotropic movement. Movement shown by plants in response to specific chemical, then it's called as chemotropic movement. For example, the growth of pollen tube towards the ovule. This is one of the example given for chemotropic movement. And all the above mentioned movements of plant are related to their growth. Hence, all such movements are collectively called as growth relevant movements. So, growth relevant movements are the growth related to growth of the plant. Okay. Now, moving ahead, you can see here, these are some pictures like that of touch me not, memo